Hi guys! I thought I'd take a minute to review how to read notes when they're written in the treble clef. So I have a little helper here. And if you remember, we split notes into notes that are on the lines, which means the line goes through the note, and then notes that are in between the lines, and we call those space notes, and that is what I have up here. So if you look, remember that if the notes are on the spaces in between, we use the word face because we've got F, A, C, E. And if the notes are on the lines, it doesn't make a word. It's ugbadoof. That's not really a word. So we could use a sentence like every good boy does fine. Or empty garbage before dad flips or something silly like that. Or since we've been doing that song, we could learn them in order E, G, B, D, F, E, G, B, D, F, right? So remember it goes E, G, if it's on the third line, B, D, and F. So I thought we would practice a few. So I've got my treble clef here, and this note is right there. It's on a space because it's in between. So I start at the bottom space and I start to spell my word face. Ready? F A. And once I get to the space where the note is, I stop. So that note is an A. All right, let's see if I can change it up. Oh, right there. That's on the first line. Well, if it's on a line, I need to use E, G, B, D, F, right? So I start with E, E. Oh, that's the note. So that one's an E. All right, let me do one a little bit more challenging. First of all, you got to think, is it on the space or the line? Yep, it's on the line. So I need to start at the bottom line and do my letters until I get to that, or do my sentence. I'm going to do a sentence for this one. Ready? Every good boy does. So that was does. And so does starts with the letter D. Now, if I was going to do the letters, like in our song, E, G, B, D, F, I would just say the letters. Ready? E, G, B, D. So it's on the D line. All right, let's try. Oh, how about that one? First thought, space or line? Yeah, it's on the space. So I need to use the word face. And you know how I always remember that? I remember because space and face rhyme. And so that's how I remember how that I need to use face when it's in between the lines on the space. So I start at the bottom space and I spell face. F-A-C-E. So that's the E. All right, let's do two more. Ready? How about there? Think to yourself, space or line. Okay. I'm going to give you a few seconds to figure it out on your own. Don't tell, don't say it. All right, ready? Three, two, one, tell me. What is it? Yeah, you're right, it's a G. So I start at the bottom line and I do E, G. There you go. I'm going to do one more. Here we go. I'll give you a few seconds to figure it out. All right, ready? Three, two, one, tell me, what is it? Yeah, if you said C, you are correct because it is on a space, so I have to spell face. Ready? F-A-C. There you go. And if you remember, F-A-C-E for face, for spaces, remember they rhyme, and E-G-B-D-F, or empty garbage before dad flips, or every good boy does fine, then you can do the lines too. All right, have fun. Bye, guys.